by 2025, you plan to have an electrified option for every model that you sell in the United States. Does that mean it's going to be a plug-in, or are you talking gas-electric hybrid?
Well, Phil, our approach is a portfolio approach. We don't think one technology is absolutely the best solution for each customer. So we are working on an entire portfolio of hybrids, which we've been selling since 1997, plug-in hybrids, full battery electric vehicles, as well as our fuel cell vehicles. Those vehicles represented about 9% of our sales in 2018. We've set a goal that it will be 15% of our sales just next year in 2020, as we work towards our goal that we want to have an electrified option available in every model that we sell, be it a Toyota or Lexus, by 2025.
Yeah, but Bob, let's talk about the plug-in electric vehicle market, because when you look at that, you guys are number 3 in the United States, but you're way, way behind Tesla. And there are a lot of people, when we were starting to work on this story, who said, look, we applaud what Toyota wants to do when it comes to electrified vehicles, but they don't have the mantle anymore. Tesla has the mantle when people say, I think about electric vehicles. Have you waited too long for plug-in electric vehicles?
No, I'll argue, Phil, the contrary. When you're looking at full electric, battery electric vehicles, whether it's Tesla or others that are on the market, they represented last year less than 1% of the industry. And as you know, the industry had a fabulous year last year, less than 1% of the 17.2 million vehicles. That's here in North America. So our strategy is to continue to utilize and enhance our hybrids, our plug-in hybrids, and then eventually bring in battery electric vehicles as the market grows. Our forecasts indicate that within North America, with the current dynamics that we have and what consumers expect with our long driving distances and highways and low fuel prices, that the market is going to slowly mature to perhaps as much as 4 to 6% of the industry in the second half of next decade. So it will be a time for this market to mature.
Bob, I hate to cut you off there, but you're not worried about the lead that Tesla has established? Look, the Model 3, whether or not people are fans of it or not, there's clearly demand there. And so people look at this and they say, okay, Toyota, why don't you come out with that pure electric car right now?
Yeah, and Phil, we are very active in battery electric vehicles. You'll hear some new news coming from us of introductions in the early 1920s, but we believe right now that hybrid technology in the short term for 19 and 20 is the best application for consumers today. And what you're seeing from Toyota is we're taking our technology that we've had from the market and proliferating that throughout our market. In the new RAV and the new Corolla, we've taken what used to be available only in the Prius and have virtually spread that through our entire lineup.
Bob, one last question here. We are coming off the 4 straight years with sales topping 17 million for the industry in the U.S. Most believe we're going to see a pullback to the mid 16 million range. Have we seen peak auto?
Well, as you point out, Phil, we had a fabulous year last year. It actually beat expectations. It beat our expectations, due primarily to a very strong fourth quarter. What I would describe 2019 as it's going to be a story of headwinds versus tailwinds. We have tailwinds in the industry with high unemployment, wage growth, and still relatively low interest rates. Consumer confidence is still very high. The headwinds in front of us are what you're discussing this morning: increased interest rates, commodity prices are going up. So as the headwinds and tailwinds, we're analyzing this, we do believe that there will be a moderate pullback in auto sales, but I'm going to emphasize moderate. Our forecast is for a high 16 million market next year, which in anybody's estimation is still a very solid auto industry.